We just walked past the Hidden Lake trailhead, and we are going to do the Hidden Trail Lake. The hike to the lake is 3 miles out, 3 miles back, but we're not going to do that. We are just going to hike to the overlook, right? It's going to hike to the overlook, which is 1.5 miles out, 1.5 back, and yeah, it's a little cool up here, a little windy, but great views. And there's probably going to be a little walking. Oh, I got stuck in the planks, the hiking stick. Probably going to have to walk on a little bit of snow, but no big deal. So yeah, let's see how this hike is again. Just eating some grass, loving life right now. Good for him. You feeling the altitude or what?
You?
A little bit. That's where we're going, up the snow. Right there. Definitely loving the mountain air, but not loving the altitude as much. It's definitely, air's a little thinner. Not as much oxygen, but it's crisp. Super crisp. Stumbled upon this nice little stream slash meadow, and I'm sure there are hundreds of these, thousands in this park that no one's ever seen. All these little streams and rivers and brooks and meadows and all kinds of nature. We made it. Hidden Lake. Check it out. Dude, I got a little deck behind me, which is cool. I'm taking a panorama. If I had my tripod, I would have done that. But yeah, standing on the edge right here. We're gonna walk to, I think, right there. An overlook. A little sketchy in the snow, but good thing we had the sticks. There's a trail that you can take that goes all the way to the lake, and that one is, I think, 3 miles out. So we didn't want to do that. Just to the boardwalk over there for the deck is 1.5 miles. So we are just going to walk down to that little ledge over there and take a couple pictures and enjoy the view. Now I just got to find where she went. She gets so excited that she just runs off. Where did she go? Definitely kind of like you just kind of slide down like this, and And then it's very similar to skiing. It's very similar, whoa, to skiing, except you don't have skis on. I guess this is where sneakers would be a little bit slicker like this. There we go. Whoa, oh boy. That was kind of fun. Definitely easier than going up it. Well, I'm guessing that this boardwalk goes all the way up to the top when it's warm enough and the snow melts. And you could tell just being here from up there, it doesn't really seem like that much of a change in altitude, but it's definitely warmer here than up there. And forget it, when we were at the lake, it was quite chilly, and I was almost ready to put on the puffer, but started walking and it warmed up as we went down. So yeah, mountain weather and temperature and all that, just it's so crazy. It changes all the time. That's what we're looking at right now. A lot of people with sneakers on too. Oh, snowball fight. Snowball fight. Boom, look at that. Look at that arm. Logan's Pass at 7 o'clock. A lot more spots have opened up. I shouldn't have trouble finding parking, but what time did we get here? It was like 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, 4. We got lucky with a spot. Lucky. Alright, so yeah, we just did the Hidden Lake Trail. That was a lot of fun. Even though we were trekking through the snow, it was great to get up there and see that lake and see some views of the valleys that you would normally not get a chance to see. Parking up here we totally got lucky when we came in here. There was a truck that was backing out, and he kind of hit a cone, and he was trying to get the cone out from under his truck, and he was blocking traffic off, so we were just able to sneak in and get a spot. And that was around 4 o'clock. The lot was pretty full. If it wasn't for that, I don't know, we maybe would have had to circle a couple times or just wait for some hikers to get finished. But we're sitting in the car now. It's 7 o'clock and there's plenty of parking. So I guess if you're gonna come and do the Hidden Lake Trail or the Highline Trail, once it opens, it's closed now because of a snow hazard, they said. I guess you got to get here early or come later in the day, because I didn't really see that much parking when you're coming up. There was a small lookout, but it was a ways down. I guess you could always park there if you had to, but yeah, come early or come late, or get lucky. We got some friends